My name is Jeff Snyder. I'm the Assistant Director of Facilities Engineering at Howard County Medical Center. The apprenticeship program is a wonderful opportunity to get people in the trades for difficult positions to fill. We've had HVAC tech positions open for a year and stationary engineering positions open for a year. Bringing on these young apprentices is just a wonderful opportunity to fill these positions. Typically, we would interview people, we would talk about their experience and their education. But when we're interviewing someone that's a senior in high school, we know that they're not going to have experience. We're just talking about their character and what motivates them. And that's one of the things that have impressed me most with this program, the number of qualified candidates we had. I was expecting high school students to not be highly motivated, and it's been difficult to even choose from the list of people we've interviewed. They were very impressive during the interview process. When you hire an apprentice that's in high school, a senior in high school, you're getting someone that's raw. We've hired people with a lot of experience that we've had to work some things out of their character. So when you get apprentices young, you're able to teach them and mentor them in these areas. If you would ask me the greatest thing about this apprenticeship program, I would tell you how quickly they not only became a part of our team, but they became a part of our family. When a team knows that their coworkers care about them, not just as a coworker, but as a person, it makes them better employees. These apprentices that we have just fit right into that mold, and they just came a part of our team and family.